Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the popular Anambra soup known as Ofe Onugbu. Yes, if you haven't heard about Ofe Onugbu soup recipe, then today I'm going to be showing you how to make the delicious Ofe Onugbu soup from my Anambra brothers and sisters. Okay, so today I've craved for Ofe Onugbu and I'm making this Ofe Onugbu. Stay tuned and enjoy it. So here I have gone ahead to wash my cow feet properly, all of my protein as a matter of fact, and it's been nicely washed. I have chicken here, I have goat meat, I have beef, I have beef tripe. I've gone in with my stockfish, and yeah, I'm going to add some peppers and salt and Maggi and allow it to give me its own juice, and then add some water and we'll start making this. So here are my peppers. It's been nicely washed. I'm making old version Onugbu soup. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. So I went in with some onion. I'm going to add this straight into the pot. I'm going to go in with some salt. I'm going to go in with some Maggi. Go in with some onion. Just move it around. Everything will come together. Let it bring out some juice. And then we'll come back to check in less than. So whenever I clean my meat in bulk, all I just do is take out another portion so I can use it to make another kind of soup. Because sometimes I have like 2-3 different soup recipes in the house for my husband's sake. Okay, so this is what you can also do. Don't use all the meat. When it's necessary, bring out some meat out. But when you need to use all the meat for occasion or for party or for event or for whatsoever reason, you do what you have to do. Don't go and use all the meat in your house and say, oh, Gucci's kitchen used to use the whole meat. Her pot used to be so full with different meats. No. I bring out some meat, and the soup can last us for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks depending on how we ate that soup. So yeah, that's why I make a lot of box soup, and sometimes when I cook I share to some family, friends and loved ones. That is very necessary. Like I'm going to send some of the soup to one of our mommies who is a widow here. Sometimes I cook and I send to her. Sometimes I cook, I send to some old mothers here who came to take care of their children. This is how I want to appreciate God in their lives and make them feel comfortable around this place. And my reward is from God. So you can do the same if you think it's a good idea. Alright, I'm just sharing this with you. I don't really need to. But this will help somebody there to be able to do something good to help somebody. It doesn't matter who. Stay tuned and enjoy. Let's check our protein. Now it has given me its own juice. I'm going to add some water now. Go in with some water. Not too much water. Just this portion of water is enough. Allow it to cook nicely. So here is my bitter leaf. And here are my cocoyam. I'm going to blend this. This has been properly cooked. I peel the skin and I throw it in the freezer. So all I did was to bring it out, defrost it. I'm going to blend it right now. Here's my protein. It's been nicely cooked. You can see the stockfish, everything cooked well. Just make sure you cook your protein until it is completely soft. And here I'm going to be putting my oil. This is my carotino oil. Add your oil at this point. For Ofe Onugbu, you need a very good oil, trust me. Your soup will come out looking very beautiful and taste very, very delicious. So I'm going to go in with my fish. Clean your fish nicely. You can use catfish. This is catfish, smoked catfish. You can use mangala fish or asa fish for your Onugbu soup. You can even use mackerel fish if that's what you have. You can use what you have and enjoy your soup. Okay. We are going to add the fish now. This is how we are going to do this. Mix everything together. I just added my fish now because I don't want everything to crush. I like to pick the pieces of fish here and there in the soup. I like my husband to get pieces of the fish here and there in the soup. I'm going to add the ede now. Here is my ede. I'm going to go in with the cocoyam like so. This is the thickener for the soup. Add it at this point. Mix everything to combine. Just mix it in. Do you like onugbu soup? I like onugbu soup a lot. And I have mixed it. Look at the consistency. It's going to be thicker than this, trust me. Cover it up. Allow it to come to a boil. So guys, this is my ogiri igbo. Once your soup starts boiling, add your ogiri igbo. This is what makes your onugbu soup. Without this in your onugbu soup, there is no onugbu soup, trust me. Please do me well to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And give this video a massive thumbs up. Add enough if you have enough, because this is what makes your onugbu soup. Allow it to come to a boil together with the soup. Trust me, the smell for this is horrible. But when it gets into the soup and absorbs with the soup and all the beautiful things in the soup, you are going to love it. A lot of people don't like the smell. Yeah. But it is locust beans and it's very good and very healthy. These are the items our mothers used to cook their soup those days, and they cooked very healthy and delicious meals. Go in with enough crayfish. Thank you all so much for watching to this moment. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. You need enough crayfish in your noodle soup. Alright? Stir your soup together and see if you need to add any more seasoning. Guys, onugbu soup is banger for any traditional marriage and wonderful event. This is a onugbu soup with a good taste. It tastes so good already. I haven't even added any seasoning apart from the seasoning I use in cooking my meat. And it tastes so fantastic. The ogiri is now scenting everywhere in my kitchen, is scenting ogiri. The aroma for this soup is divine. Onugbu soup is wonderful. You can't beat onugbu soup. It tastes incredible. I haven't even added any more seasoning apart from the seasoning that went into the protein when I was cooking it. I haven't added any seasoning, and yet the soup is very, very, very delicious. Thanks to my Anambra family members, the OK Titis. I have craved for onugbu soup like forever. Cover it up for another 10 minutes before we finally add our vegetable. 10 minutes later, let's put it together. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. At this point, we're going to add our bitter leaf. My homemade bitter leaf recipe. So go in with your bitter leaf depending on the quantity that you would like to have in your soup. It all depends on the quantity you want to have in your onugbu soup. So just go in, don't stir it together, just move it. Cover it for about 5 minutes and our soup should be ready. Now let's stir our soup. This is the main. Okay, so I'm going to see if it's tasty enough, if I need to add Maggi. My friends, this soup is top notch. Like, it's so delicious. Very, very delicious, guys. Very, very. This is it for our onugbu soup. If you want to try this, go ahead. This is so good. Try this and let me know and let me know in the comment section. Everything came out good. Stockfish was nicely cooked. All the meats were very nice and tender. Our cow feet, goat meat, it was nicely cooked. Make sure your meat is soft so that way you can enjoy your soup. Okay. I have often advised us on this channel when I'm cooking to make sure our proteins are very soft. And another thing is when you're cooking bitter leaf soup, make sure you do not stir it right immediately after. Otherwise, your soup is going to taste very bitter no matter what. I mean, any soup that you are intending to add bitter leaf to, don't stir it immediately, okay? And try to make sure your proteins are very soft, very nice. That way you can enjoy your soup for party and for any occasion. Trust me guys, I've gone to several occasions with my husband sometimes and all the proteins are very tough. What is the need? That you made a delicious meal and the proteins are hard. People are not going to enjoy it. So please make sure to get this tip and tricks and methods that I'm giving to you free of charge. Master class free of charge. This year I'm going to be doing a lot of master class free of charge. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It's going to be banger this year. And please share this video to your family, friends and loved ones. Turn on your notification bell and thank you all for watching. So guys, this is what I'm going to be enjoying, my onugbu soup. What are you going to be pairing this onugbu soup with? Drop in the comment section. Very healthy. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. Ciao, ciao. I'm eating with Eba. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this. Do you love onugbu soup? Let me know in the comment section. I'm eating with Eba, guys.